As winter settles in, sore throats, colds, and coughs can really take a toll. For sore throat relief, try Strepsils or Vicks lozenges. Just one every 2 to 3 hours, but no more than 8 a day. Gargling saltwater can also work wonders. For nasal congestion, grab Phenylephrine or Pseudoephedrine. 10 milligrams or 30 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours. Max 4 doses in 24 hours. If sneezing strikes, Cetirizine is your friend. For coughs, Dextromethorphan helps with dry coughs, while Ambroxol or Guaifenesin thins mucus for productive coughs. When fever hits, Paracetamol is effective. 500 milligrams to 1 g every 4 to 6 hours, but don't exceed 4 g daily. Ibuprofen can tackle aches too. Stay hydrated, rest up, and sip on warm teas to support your recovery.